Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Kimo impact wrench. This is the model number 3603B. Big shout out to Kimo for sending us this tool to test for you guys to see if it works or see if it doesn't work. As you guys have seen in our previous videos, we have tested tools that do not work. So impact wrench, cordless, brushless. You got Kimo 20V specifications. We got model number 3603B. Charger input voltage 100 to 240 volts. Battery voltage 20 volts. No load speed 0 to 3000 RPM. Impact frequency 0 to 3600 IPM. Max torque 3000 inch-pounds. Driver anvil size 1/2 inch. Charging time 60 minutes. They do need to fix this. It says changing time. Net weight 3.3 pounds. Battery weight 0.55 pounds. Measurement 7.67 by 2.75 by 6 inches. Power display, reverse switch, made in China. First thing, we got an instruction manual. All right, very interesting what they have here. It looks like drills, like 12-volt drills. They got hammer drills, regular drills. They got all sorts of drills, impact wrenches, impact drivers. All right, we got a charger. So this is Kimo C bottom for the charger for warning marking. It says solid green charge, red charging, blinking red, and hot and cold. So there are the lights right there, two different connectors. On the back we got Kimo 20-volt lithium ion, 100 to 200 volt AC, 50 to 60 hertz, 55 watts. All right, we got the tool itself. We don't have anything. All the black part is rubber. The green is plastic. Some nice vents here, metal casing and plastic rubber front. So this is our rubber. It looks like we do have a hog ring and a pin detent, 1/2 inch anvil. We do have an LED light there. We do have some settings there at the bottom. Yeah, it's hard to see, but you do have a high and low. It says battery, it says brake stop, and then we have a switch button here. So we'll test this out. We'll see what it is. Two different connectors at the bottom. 3603B, it says brushless impact wrench, 3 volt, 3000 inch-pounds to 0 to 36 IPM, 0 to 3000. All right, we got a whole bunch of sockets. 13 millimeter, 19 millimeter, 17 millimeter, 21 millimeter, 15 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter. This is a really good one. Extension attachment, a pin for the sockets, and a ring for. Let's slide this in. Obviously, match the pin. Once you have the pin in there, you can slide the pin in there, and then you put this on. So that's pretty much what you would do. Next thing we have, it looks like the battery. All right, battery seems to be a little dirty from the cardboard there. All right, we got 3 different connectors here. We got Kimo battery pack, 3809 battery pack, 20 volts, 2 amp hour, 40 watt hours. We do have a fuel gauge here in the front. It's partially filled. Just to need another light there. 20 volt max lithium. We do have some nice breather holes there at the bottom. Let's see what. So as you put it in, sounds really good actually. When you put it on reverse, you're gonna have the auto stop or the brake stop technology. So see, that's the brake stop technology. Once it senses it doesn't have any torque, it's gonna stop. So forward, we do have high and low. That's high, that's low. I'm gonna put the battery in there. You get a red light. Obviously, when it's charged, you're gonna get a green light. On these smaller guns, you do have to leave it for around 5 seconds. It'll give you a little bit more. It'll give you its full potential. So all right. So that should be about 5 seconds or so. We're gonna take this one off. This one was 150 foot-pounds. These 3 were 150 foot-pounds, by the way. No problem. So Alright. We're gonna take this off. Put it back on. Alright, we're gonna zero the torque wrench out. Zero it out. We're gonna put it up to 250 foot-pounds because that's maximum. Alright, we're gonna see what the measurement is for all those we use this impact wrench on. Let's test the first one out and then I'll show you guys what we got for readings. Alright, the first one was 170.7. So 170 foot-pounds. It's actually not bad. Pretty decent for a little tool like this. I know it does say 250 foot-pounds, but 170 foot-pounds is pretty decent for a little tool like this. Especially for, you know, let's look at this one. This one's 192.8. I wouldn't doubt it that this thing might get close to 250 foot. It's a great gun, guys. Definitely recommend it. So you guys did see it did up to fitment on the socket's really nice. I really like that. Especially for the DIY, for the house, for a car, a truck like this or smaller, perfect. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform with subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.